Hello and good day to this introductory tutorial of our software cleanwash version 1. I will walk you through the basics of how to use the front desk. Now, as usual, when you start the application, you need to log in. You first need to make sure your username is selected here. I will be logging in as the admin, and I will enter my password here and press enter. And the next thing you see is the menu. The menu allows you to perform so many actions in the application. Basically, we have a lot of buttons here, and I'll quickly let you know what they do. So drop is for dropping of items. The customer walks in and wants to drop items. You click on drop, it brings you to this interface where you perform your drop operation. And after the whole operation, you can click on close to come back to the menu. Pick up. The customer walks in and wants to pick up an item that was dropped for processing. You come here and enter the receipt number, order number, the customer's name, phone tag to look up the order, and then you select the one you want to pick up and then click on pick up. If there's any balance to be paid, you can pay that here. And status is to change the status of items. When you click on status, you see all items that has not been marked as completed already. They are still in the new status, so you can set the status here, for example ready, and select the items you want to change to ready and click on change status to ready to change all the items, all the orders to ready. Redo the last order is to redo the last order. Perhaps the customer came in to drop the same type of order. You can quickly use this to redo the last order to save a lot of time, and within a few seconds you could just redo the last order. View the last receipt is to view the last drop receipt that you performed. You can click on view last receipt and it will show you the details of that receipt, the customer detail and the order detail, and then the items here on the right hand side. And expenses is to add expenses, day-to-day expenses. You can record that here. And orders is to view orders that was done today for that particular day. For example, you can see admin orders today. You can also filter this list by typing here, and you can see the total value of the order that was done. And workload is to see the workload of your items, refund to refund, settle to settle, existing order, and void to mark an order as void. So this is a quick introduction of the front desk. In subsequent videos, I'll show you how to do specific tasks less than 5 minutes, and then you can ask questions, you can email us, you can find out more about the application. You can also comment on what you noticed and then what you want or what you feel can be improved. Thank you very much for watching this quick introductory video. I hope you enjoyed it. Goodbye.